Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for mathematics class 4th, chapter 2, money. This is our lecture number 1. Topics to be covered: introduction, conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Exercise 2A. Now beta, introduction for the given topic money. See, everyone uses money for buying and selling things. It is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. We use symbols rupees for rupees and P for paise. Clear? Beta, what does it mean? Everyone uses money for what? For buying and selling things. So, money is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. मनी में हम कौन सा टर्म यूज करते हैं? रुपीज और पैसे. एंड फॉर रुपीज वी यूज दिस सिंबल. ओके. एंड फॉर पैसे वी यूज पी. क्लियर? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. This is the symbol of rupees and this is the symbol of paise. Clear? So you have to learn this formula. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Conversion of money. Rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100. Clear? When we convert rupees into paise, we always multiply the number of rupees by 100. We know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. For example, rupees 5 equal to 5 multiplied by 100 paise equal to 500 paise. As you know, beta, 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, then 5 rupees equal to 5 multiplied by 100 paise equal to 500 paise. Clear? Now our given topic is conversion of money. Rupees and paise into paise. To convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100 and add paise with the product. Clear? Beta, when we convert rupees and paise into paise, we always multiply the number of rupees by 100. हम नंबर के रुपीस को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और जो आंसर आता है, जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आता है, उसमें हम पैसे के नंबर को ऐड कर देते हैं. क्लियर? Example, convert 9 rupees and 75 paise into paise. Okay. Now rupees 9 and 75 paise equal to 9 multiplied by 100 paise plus 75 paise equal to 900 paise plus 75 paise. equal to 975 paise. Clear? Here beta, our rupees number is 9. Okay, so we have multiplied 9 by 100. Okay, after multiplying 9 by 100, we got answer 900, which is our product. Okay, अब हम 900 में 75 पैसे को ऐड कर देंगे. Okay, 900 पैसे plus 75 पैसे equal to 975 पैसे. Clear? In this given topic, conversion of money, beta, now we have to convert paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, we divide the number by 100. Why? Because 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Example, convert 9,000 paise into rupees. We have to convert 9,000 paise into rupees. Here with the given number 9,000 unit paise is written, and paise is our smaller unit. We have to move from smaller to bigger unit, and our bigger unit is rupees. Now we will divide it. 9,000 divided by 100 equal to rupees 90. When you will divide 9,000 by 100, you will get the answer rupees 90. In let's rewind, now we will solve question number 2. See question number 2. Which 5 notes, coins you will use to buy this toy aeroplane? Okay, see beta, here in this given picture some notes and coins are pasted, and here you can see the picture of a toy aeroplane, and its cost is rupees 167. Okay, then beta you have to tell, आपको बताना है कि which 5 notes and coins you will use to buy this toy aeroplane. Clear? So first of all we will put a circle here above these 3 notes and 2 coins. Okay, now we will add them. 100 rupees plus 50 rupees, 150 rupees plus 10 rupees, 160 rupees. Okay, plus 5 rupees coin, 165 rupees plus 2 rupees coin, 167 rupees. Clear beta? So we will use, okay, these 3 notes and 2 coins, okay, to buy this toy aeroplane. Okay, then beta, after buying this toy aeroplane, the money that is left with us, that is this rupees 1000, rupees 500, rupees 20 and 1 rupee coin. So here we will write how much money is left. Answer is, as I told you, rupees 1000 plus rupees 500 plus rupees 20 plus 1 rupee coin. Okay, we will add them, then we will get answer rupees 1521. Our answer will be rupees 1521. Clear? Now in let's rewind, we will solve question number 3. See here in question number 3 beta, Konika went to a bakery and bought the following items. How much money did she spent in all. Clear? बेटा कनिका बेकरी पर गई और उन्होंने वहां से ये आइटम्स खरीदी, केक, बिस्किट्स, बुक्स, बर्थडे कैप एंड कैंडल्स. ओके, देन यू हैव टू टेल कि उन्होंने इन चीजों पर कितने रुपए खर्च किए. टोटल मनी यू हैव टू टेल. ओके, मनी स्पेंट ऑन केक रुपीज 250, on biscuits rupees 20, on books rupees 125, on birthday cap rupees 45, and on candles rupees 45. So total amount is rupees 485. Money which she spent in all items rupees 485. Clear? Now in exercise 2A, we will solve question number 2. 5 toffees cost rupees 20. What is the cost of 10 toffees? Okay. What has asked in this given question beta, 5 टॉफीज की कॉस्ट है ₹20, तो आपको 10 टॉफीज की कॉस्ट बतानी है. So here, first of all, we will write solution. Cost of 5 toffees equal to rupees 20. Then we will tell cost of 1 toffee. Cost of 1 toffee equal to rupees 20 divided by 5 equal to rupees 4. Clear? Now we have to tell the cost of 10 toffees. We have found the cost of 5 toffees, that is rupees 4. Now we have to tell the cost of 10 toffees. So cost of 10 toffees equal to rupees 4 multiplied by 10 equal to rupees 40. Clear? So cost of 10 toffees is rupees 40. Clear? Now here in exercise 2A, we will solve question number 3. My mother bought 25 big bars of chocolate. If each bar costs rupees 13, how much did she spend? Clear? What does it mean? My mother bought. मेरी मम्मी ने क्या खरीदा? 25 बिग बार्स ऑफ चॉकलेट. और अगर ईच बार ऑफ चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट है रुपीज 13, तो आपको ये बताना है कि मम्मी ने कितने रुपए खर्च किए. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट सॉल्यूशन हियर. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 bar equal to rupees 13. Cost of 25 bars equal to rupees 13 multiplied by 25. We will do multiplication here. 13 multiplied by 25. Here beta, first of all we have to multiply this 13 by 5. 13 5 the 65. So we will write 5 here. Carry 6. Then 13 to the 26 plus 6 32. Okay, so answer is 325. So we have to put equal to sign, then we will write here rupees 325. Clear? So how much money mother spent? Rupees 325. Our answer is 325. Now here in exercise 2A beta, we will solve question number 4. Okay. On his birthday, Suresh receives rupees 200 from his grandmother. He buys a book for rupees 96 and a board game for rupees 57. How much money is he left with? Clear? What does it mean बेटा? सुरेश के अपनी बर्थडे पर उसके ग्रैंड मदर ने उसको 200 रुपीज दिए. ओके, सुरेश के बर्थडे पर उसकी ग्रैंड मदर ने उसको 200 रुपीज दिए और उसमें से उसने एक बुक खरीदी जिसकी कॉस्ट है रुपीज 96 और एक बोर्ड गेम खरीदा जिसकी कॉस्ट है रुपीज 57. अब आपको ये बताना है कि सुरेश के पास कितने रुपए बच गए. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. Money spent on book and board game. How much money he spent on book and board game? On book he spent rupees 96. On board game he spent rupees 57. So we will write here equal to rupees 96 plus rupees 57 equal to rupees 153. Okay, now we will write here money left with Suresh equal to rupees 200 minus rupees 153 equal to rupees 47. How much money is left with Suresh? Rupees 47. This is our answer, rupees 47. Clear beta? In exercise 2A, now we will solve question number 5. 34 children of class 4th B paid rupees 15 each for their class photograph. Find out the total money collected. Clear? What does it mean? बेटा क्लास 4th B में टोटल 34 बच्चे हैं. ओके, और उन्होंने अपनी क्लास फोटोग्राफ में एक बच्चे ने 15 रुपीज पे किए. ओके, टोटल स्टूडेंट्स आर 34 और एक एक बच्चे ने ईच फॉर देयर क्लास फोटोग्राफ एक बच्चे ने रुपीज 15 पे किए. तो आपको ये बताना है कि टोटल कितने रुपए टोटल कलेक्ट हुए. ओके, so let's start solution. Amount paid by one child, each means one child, equal to rupees 15. Okay, amount paid by 34 children equal to rupees 15 multiplied by 34. Clear? Total children are 34 and each child paid rupees 15 for their class photograph. So what will we do here? We will do multiplication here. We have to multiply this 15 by 34. Here we have to multiply this 15 by 4. 15 for the 60. Write 0 here. Carry 6 here. Then 15 3 the 45 plus 6 51. Answer is 510. So put equal to sign here. Then we will write here rupees 510. Okay. So our answer is rupees 510. Clear? In exercise 2A, we will solve now question number 6. Question number 6. The cost of 5 tennis balls is rupees 45. Find the cost of one ball. What does it mean? बेटा, in this given question, इस क्वेश्चन में 5 टेनिस बॉल्स की कॉस्ट दी हुई है, दैट इज ₹45, और आपको एक बॉल की कॉस्ट बतानी है. ओके, so first of all we will write solution here. Cost of 5 tennis balls equal to ₹45. Then cost of 1 tennis ball equal to ₹45 divided by 5 equal to ₹9. Clear? When you will divide 45 by 9, we will get the answer 9. Okay, so ₹45 divided by 5 equal to ₹9. This is our answer, ₹9. So cost of one ball is ₹9. Now here in exercise 2A, we will solve question number 7. Question number 7, find the cost of a dozen pencil if each costs ₹2. What does it mean beta? एक पेंसिल ₹2 की आती है, मीन्स एक पेंसिल की कॉस्ट है ₹2, तो आपको एक डजन पेंसिल की कॉस्ट बतानी है कितनी है. ओके, सो वी विल राइट सॉल्यूशन हियर. कॉस्ट ऑफ वन पेंसिल equal to ₹2. Then cost of 12 pencils equal to ₹2 multiplied by 12. Okay, a dozen means darjan means 12. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 12 equal to ₹24. Our answer is ₹24. Clear? Understood beta? Now beta, today's homework is, आपका आज का homework है, you have to do exercise 2A. Question number 8, question 9, question 10 and question 11 in notebook. Question 8, I have 9 50 paise coins. I spent ₹2.50. How much money is left with me now? Okay. Question number 9. Mom gave me ₹10. Dad gave me ₹5. Okay, my sister and I divided the total money between us. How much did each of us get? Clear? Now, beta, in homework, our question number 10 is, see, question 10, what change will you get from ₹20 if you buy 8 crayons for ₹2 each? Clear? Question number 11. How many 50 paise coins make ₹9? Clear? You have to do homework carefully.